Wild facts. Meet the cabbage moth caterpillar, one of the hungriest little creatures you will ever see. You won't believe how much food they can find. These tiny caterpillars are bright green to hide from birds. Their bodies are very wiggly and soft. They start their lives as teeny eggs on the bottom of leaves. Eating all those leaves is like if you ate a whole pizza every single minute. A tiny caterpillar can munch through dozens of entire leaves all by itself. They live in gardens where they find yummy snacks like broccoli and kale. The most magical part is how they change from a crawler into a beautiful moth. Watch it again, there is so much to spot.